Rare find in Calhoun under $125,000. If you're looking for convenience and low maintenance, this is the home for you. This is a darling 1.5-story townhouse with 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. Perfect for a first-time home buyer or someone ready to downsize. This home features soaring ceilings in the living room with a corner wood-burning fireplace with beautiful gray vinyl plank flooring. Home has a split floor plan with a master suite tucked away on the main floor. Master has a large walk-in closet with a private bathroom. The other 2 spacious bedrooms are upstairs with a separate full bath. Step out the back door to your private fenced patio to enjoy your morning coffee. This property also has a large double carport in the back with private drive, and there is plenty of extra parking for your guest in the front. Call today to schedule your private showing of this adorable home.